Hello, so it's a fifth part of lecture 22 and this will be final. Okay, we already done with our UV and model. Now we are going to color. Okay, for that we are going to import our model to Zbrush. Then after that we are going to work with Keyshot for final render. Okay, so let's see. So we already finished our model. Okay, we are working on UV which is already unwrapped. Now we are going on color portion. Okay, for colorization. For that thing we are going to export this model and we'll import in Zbrush. Okay, so let's see. So come to the software. Okay, yeah. Minimize. This is our a model base, okay, which is already unwrapped as you can see in previous model, right? Now select all. What is this? Delete. Okay, select all, edit, delete all by type, history, file, save scene as, computer D, wherever your your file location, go to your location, YODA. I used to save my file over here. Now what I have to do, I have to export this file. Okay, file, come here, export all, or you can go for selection also, but I will do export all. Export all and hit this setting option. Okay, now this will open. Come to FVX. We are not going to choose FVX because FVX is a file format which is basically used for export, camera, animation and all the extra feature along with your modeling and texturing. Okay, for example, if you are working on game engine or any game developing software and you are going to import this file to that game software or game engine, then for that case you need to use this format FVX export. Okay, for now we need to OBJ export only. OBJ export, make it by default, export all, choose your file location where your model going to export, YODA, and okay, write your OBJ file name. I will say OBJ base mesh, export all. Okay, shading, bounding box. Now minimize. Okay, come to Zbrush, import, because we are not working on Zbrush, so I'm going for very short view. Okay, now what you have to do, you need to import this, open like this, hit this edit, frame, change your material to basic. This is your Maya model. Come to subtool, sorry, and click on this thing. Where is this? Split, group split. Okay, so you can say this will split by group as we. Okay, wait a second. See, as you can see, we got one eyeball, but here, but it's okay for eyeball thing. Okay, so what I was saying, according to Maya, like how we was arranging our model. Okay, like group wise, so this will split this whole entire model according to group. Okay, so now what we have to do, come to geometry, divide, we are adding subdivision. Okay, yeah. Again subtool for eye, go to geometry, divide, again subtool, come to cloth, geometry, divide, divide, because we don't need to sculpt on this area, so I'm going to keep it on subdivision 3. Subdivision is kind of mesh smooth of your Maya. Okay, come to subtool. Now I have to work on face. Duplicate, delete. Okay, I was looking for the another eyeball. Solo or transpose. Second eyeball is missing, but you can see in thumbnail, so I was confused, but it's okay. Move forward to our face, come to geometry, make it, sorry, actually the layer is selected of the cloth one, so we need to go for the face. Now come to geometry, make it lower like this. Now we need to work according to this, not exactly, but at least. Okay, so what I have to do, okay, I'm just making very few changes. I guess I miss my initialize. Yes, I will import it again. Come to, where is move tool? Okay, go for move tool and just try to maintain your shape according to your reference, because what we did in Maya, that one is our base. Okay, we need to pull his ear a bit down. Yeah, from this side this will be go like this. Okay. And one more important thing, because we are working on Maya for modeling. Okay, so when I will start Zbrush, then I will go for this kind of detail, or I will explain you all the tool and entire portion, okay, which you are right now looking on the report. So what you need to focus for now, just see what I am doing for colorization or your shape according to your basic reference. So when I will go for ZBrush, then this will going easy for you, because you already knew how I'm going to work. Or this is the, you can say this one also, the pipeline of 3D, like how you are going to model in this. Whenever you're going to work on a studio, like you get a concept art, then you need to work on your concept art, like you're making any kind of geometry in Maya for basic kind of, okay, and when you made in Maya for the base mesh, then you need to import that model in ZBrush for detailing. So this is how we are going to work on our future model. And one more important thing, guys, after this definitely I will go for ZBrush. So because right now I am going for, or I am covering all modeling portion, okay, what kind of, every kind of model you are watching on any social media site or website like organic modeling, hard surface modeling, okay, creature modeling and that kind of stuff. So I'm trying to cover all that kind of stuff. So for Maya I just working with the basic shape like I did for vehicle and the robot and weapon and all, okay, the inorganic modeling. Now when I go for Zbrush, then I will start working for creature, okay, creature and a realistic human character and all. So because of that I'm not working for human character in Maya, because I know for that I have to go in Zbrush. So there is no you can say that will be wastage of time, that I'm going for Maya and I'm try to making all stuff and all for human especially. Because if I have the option, then I will go for my better one. If you notice in our reference, you will find this kind of you can say the wave or kind of a wrinkle kind of shape. I will save my file because I don't know what I did. Okay. OBJ base mesh 2. Yeah. I literally thought that my file was going to crash, because whenever okay see you can see this brush option or icon, you can say the red circle and all. If this will disappear and your cursor will not move anywhere, okay, and you can say the stuck on any single point, then make sure that before that you should save your file at, you can say, the after every 15 minutes, because that is the, if that will happen, then I will make sure that your file will going to crash. And if you are making one or if you are working on this kind of model and during that process if your file will crash, definitely that will be pain, right? So because personally I love working with Zbrush, so I was waiting like when I going to start Zbrush, but for the base thing I have to work with Maya, so I did. As I discussed in very previous part of this lecture, very first part of lecture, that I will try to work on the detailing part in Zbrush. So I am sculpting few details, not exactly what we are going to see in the reference, because Zbrush is not started, right? We was working on Maya, so because of that, if I go for the lots of stuff over here, you can see the top bar and the side option. So if I go for lot of option, then that will definitely go bouncer, right? So for avoiding that, I am just using the basic thing which you will make understand Zbrush, which will, okay, so that will be easy for you. So yeah, So what I was saying, yeah, I was just confused during this thing. So I was working on very basic options, using very basic option and brushes and all. So when I will start ZBrush, then that will be very convenient to understand like what I am doing and what kind of tool we generally use for basic or most of part. Okay, so I have to communicate during this whole process, so that will be a bit difficult for me, like I'm focusing on sculpting and need to explain everything like what I'm doing and all. So hope this lecture will help you to understand the pipeline, like how we are working in production. And if you don't know about the shortcut of brush and all, you can select basic brush from here. Okay, and you can manage the size from here. You can color this model in Photoshop, but I personally prefer ZBrush, that's why I import this in ZBrush. I just press Control S. So you need to see the process of these steps. So definitely, hopefully, when I will work on ZBrush, so this will be very convenient for you, because you already saw how I was doing. Once you seen this all thing, and then you will going to work on ZBrush, then that will be very much easy for you also, because you are already watching me while I'm working on this. And one more important thing, if you have pen tab, okay, then this will be very easy for you to draw this kind of stuff. But if you notice, if I told you open Photoshop and take a A4 size or any kind of page and just sign your signature on a blank page in Photoshop, that will be not possible by you. Why? Because you are holding mouse by your open hand, right? So while your finger are on a specific shape while you are holding mouse, then that will be very difficult while you are drawing any kind of curve kind of shape. ठीक है. So if doing this kind of step, so if you need to draw this kind of shape, as you can see this kind of zigzag pattern or curve area, so you will not able to work. Why? Because you are working with mouse. So for that, see the student version are, wait a second, okay, how what I was saying, the student version of Paint tab also available. You can buy it from Amazon, which is almost cost around minimum which is approx 4,000, which is very less. Because I don't know the back area of YODA, so I'm just doing basic stuff because I don't know how he look like from back. Even I was trying to look for the reference and I'm not getting, so exact reference of hand also, because we are working on the face basically. So what I am going to do, okay, come to this thing, subtool, sorry, yeah, select it, save, okay, turn on, okay, where is our full reference? Okay, so I need to go for color portion, hide this again, yeah. after this I will import this model in KeyShot for the render. This one is your color palette, these two, primary and secondary. I will explain it when I will work on Zbrush. Specifically, not now, because it was just in middle of process. Like I have to color, so I import it. If I don't require, then I will not explain or I will not talk about this thing. So this will be last picture on this character. You already modeled, and I was just about to show how you are going for the workflow of organic character. So for that thing I just use this character. So after that we already work on the UV. We already see 3 times, right, like how to texture or unwrap. Okay, so his nail is very dark, but before that I will color and first the skin area. Okay, this one was auto save, so after that I save manually. Right now what I am doing is a spray version of color. So as you can see, this is the time taking process, right? You need to have patience while we finish. I just went 3 steps back because I was not using symmetry option. So I just went back and now turn that on. Now we are about to finish our model, right? Shit. Yeah. Now we have to work on nails, which is very different from this color, bit dark. Switch. Yes. if you see the steel nails, like nails of beggar or any kind of animal, so you will able to see dust near about the nails also. So this will give chocolate shade. Okay, come to the foot area. Process will be same. Switch on the tip only. Because of wrong symmetry this happen. Okay, so zoom subtool, I will turn this off also. Come to the eye area. Yeah, look like mango slice, right? Okay, so body part is finished almost, I guess, right? So it's almost finished. Now we have to move for the cloth area. Oh, amazing. Now we have to work for here also. Okay, okay. Yeah. Now first I will save this model. according to reference there is a hair on head and ear, and the all are in same. Okay, and that is white. Yes, that is white. So I'm going for hair kind of stuff. This one. This one is good. Light walks. Now it seems very funny, as you can see. we need to check on render, like how this one look like. It's a called BPR, means best preview render. Okay, and it's a kind of test render. You should not consider this as a final render. Okay. This is our hair. From here, come to here, toss chrome. Okay. For jacket, okay, all mask. Now line box, fiber, short way or first I need to check on BPR how it look like. This can work. Okay, come to modifier. Where max will be go high. Which is Oi. Oh, okay, got it. Accept. Yes. Now this is our hair, the coat feather, you can see. Okay. Now we need to work on Maya. Okay, I know the hair of this creature look bit funny, but it's okay for now, especially. Okay, one more thing I forgot, which I have to work on the face, especially. Geometry. Yeah, come to move. I need to work on expression thing, so because of that I was not working on the lip area. Yeah. Six. Come to, okay, first unmask and come to head, Control S. I will work on this area again because this hair is not that which I am looking for, so I will delete hair. Okay, now come to head again. Okay, come to solo. seems like Dalmatian, the dog breed. Okay. Now I will have to go for the same fiber which I used before, alpha and light box which I was using. Or which I have to use. I was on this. Light box. Modify fiber mesh and where is length? So quite cool. If I compare with the previous hair, it seems really nice. Now okay, now it seems funny. Now I need to play with the value. Clump. Yeah, it's good. Now, okay, first I need to check. Yes, this is what we are looking for. Wait. White. Tip color should be also white. Actually, first we need to check how it looks. Yeah, good. I will go for a bit gray for the tip color. Now I think I have to accept. Yes. Now I am satisfied with this hair. Okay, now we should move for the further step, which is first I have to save as, and okay, final model, save. Okay, and face solo. Now go to subtool, polygon, texture map. Normal map, and before normal come to subtool, geometry, and come around 3. Yeah, this will hopefully work. Or now come again, normal map, create. Clone. Normal map, save, come to here, so these are the process, right, we need to follow during entire model. I guess this will took around 20 or 30 seconds, I guess. So once you add fiber mesh in your file, remember your file size will increase, your file will gonna have heavy. Okay, so I guess I'm wrong, it will take few more minute, not second. Oof, I was very much thirsty. Okay, so still working and working. So once all map will be done, then I will go for hair and fur, means fiber mesh. Okay, it is done. Yeah, exactly. Displacement map. We have color, we have normal, we have displacement. Okay. Now we got all three map which required for the high detail render. Now come to here and select this portion and export. Where is export? Yeah, export. This will be go as a obj fiber 72. So I will take as a HAIR here. In the same folder, the UV folder where I used to collect all the substitute. Now save. Then oh sorry, it's exporting. This here, the jacket one. Select export again. Where is export? Oh, come again export. Cloth fiber. Save. Okay. Oh sorry, exporting is exporting. And remember, we need to work on color also, the cloth one. We need to export the map. Okay, now come to the jacket. On texture, create from polypaint, which is done. Clone. Cloth texture underscore CLO. Sorry. Color. Minimize. Come to the Maya 5. Okay. And one more important thing you can do is come to Zbrush and geometry. Sorry, first come to the head mesh, which is this. Now come to geometry. Yeah. Because our shape is also different from the Maya version of mesh, right? So I'm going to export this, the low poly mesh, not high one. You can use the second level or third level. I'm using third level. Export HEAD, head mesh. Save. Now minimize. Rest is fine. I guess still exporting. Oh, exported. Now come to Maya. We need to replace this whole mesh. For that, file, import, go to your location, head mesh, which is this. Import. Okay, see the difference between both two meshes. This one is the Zbrush, which is quite high in topology, and this one is the basic one. And now you can see why I'm using the Zbrush mesh, because I used to work on this lips area and this area which is additionally added, you can see. And this one is the very much plain base, so delete it because we are not working with this. And if you're going to UV editor, so you will get the same UV which already we unwrapped previously. Okay, now I need to put a material. Okay, so come on this. Wait a second before that, because I need to import the hair portion also. Okay, minimize, file, import. Where is hair obj? Import. Okay, because material is missing, that's why it's looking very much the flip normal kind of stuff. Okay, now the jacket wala stuff. Import the jacket cloth fiber. Open, Okay, that was heavy. So this was okay. This is too heavy. Okay, my god. Select this hair. You can see the topology. Hide. Now come here. Add this layer. Hide. Now we need to work on the texture area. Now back to material editor, which is graph editor. Technically, select, right click, assign new material, and you can, for now you can use Blend or Lambert, doesn't matter, because this will be exported again for keyshot. Color, but before color, what we need to do, we need to work on the texture. Like we exported the texture but we didn't scale for Maya. So UV editor, this one is the texture of body. Okay, so image UV snapshot I already set on 2K. Browse, there is your location, your body, unwrap, save, apply, override. Make sure this should be override, because override is confirmation that you are exported that your thing. Now come to tool, image, UV snapshot, location is already set. Yes, your YODA UV. Now body unwrap, CLO, cloth unwrap, apply, override. Now close. Now we need to close the Zbrush, because first save, because we already working on the software. Now I need to open Photoshop, where we need to flip our texture. Okay, body unwrap, we need to drag this body color into body unwrap. Once this is still opening. Shading, bounding box. Okay, this is your unwrap. Come to body color and drag. See, that's why I used to export and flip. Resize. All you need to do, just flip vertical. Sort out, problem solved. Okay, now file, sorry, yeah, file, save as. Now you can replace the body color portion, or you can rename. Okay, or I will do body color, the same thing, save, yes. Come to the Maya, delete, assign new material, blend, Y, and body color, open, press 6, yes, it's working, because material have lots of sign value, so because of that it look very shiny, which is solved by keyshot. So for now it's going good. So come here again, press 5, press, oh, for now minimize, close, shading bounding box. While you are not working in your file in Maya especially, then make sure that your file will be standby in shading bounding box mode, because that will use very less amount of your RAM or your GPU while you're working on different software. So okay, this one is set, body color. Now close, come here again. Now the cloth unwrap. Okay, where is cloth color? Yeah, enter, Control T, right click, flip vertical, sorry, Control Z, rasterize layer, I said flip vertical but I did flip horizontal, so that was mistake, my bad. Save as, replace on cloth unwrap, sorry, cloth texture color, save, yes. Now I will go with the previous file where I just saved the body color, which is this. What I have to do, I have to work on the every single portion or map of the body, which is displacement and normal also. So I will drag displacement over here. See, the face should be up, so as I flip the color version, so I will do the same with the displacement. File, save as, apply, and this one is displacement, so save, replace it. Yes, we should do with the same with normal map. File, save as, yeah, okay, now all set, close. Eccentricity and a specular color and specular roll off. body. Eyeball. Because hair is a bit heavy, so definitely this will take few Control C, P. HAIR, hair. This is very much extra which not required for jacket, so I will delete this and I will make the hair of the jacket again. Okay, so I'm for now shading bounding box and will open Zbrush again. Oh, sorry, my bad. So if you want to complete this file, then you need to follow this process. So that's why I took very much extra time after UV, because once you unwrap your model, then the jackpot will be after color, and that will take this all process. You need to export your model from Maya, you need to import in Zbrush, you need to export your texture from Zbrush, then import in Maya, then again export your model for the render engine or render software, the third one if you're not rendering in Maya. So you can say quite hectic process or lengthy kind of stuff, you can say, no doubt. D YODA open. So we need to work on this is here, delete. Yeah. Now, which is very easy step, right? Solo, because we don't require the rest of stuff, at least for now. Fiber and what we use, this or this one. Yeah, I'm always confused about the material, like what we used previously. Now come to modifier. Fiber mesh. Okay. Okay, quite good. Now length should be here. To get back, which one? This one. Or I don't know why I'm looking for this, or maybe this. If I render, okay, so thousand times better than the previous one. Now this thing, where it goes, accept. Geometry, sorry, subtool, yeah, export, and cloth fiber, save, yes. Oh, still exporting. Now we need to import in Maya, and then look how its volume is exactly. Hide the hair file, import the cloth fiber, which is this, import. Oh. Okay, still working. Now you need to import your 3D model. which was final file. Open. Now this will take few minutes. Okay, now we have to wait until imported. Okay guys, so we got our file in Keyshot. Okay, so what we need to do is work on texture area. Okay, so we need to work on texture, and so because I was showing you how to work on color portion after UV, so I'm not going to every process in very much detail, like how which kind of material and all. Okay, so I'm using for this model, so I'm just showing the process, like how you export and import from Maya to ZBrush, ZBrush to Maya, that kind of. Okay, so this one is I apply. Why this is black? Body color, cloth texture, displacement map. Okay, body color, open, yeah, texture map. Okay, sort out. Same for the bump. Where is the displacement? And normal map, displacement. This is body, and oh, here it is normal. Yeah. For hair I need to review. Okay, sorry, I already did. So this one is on hair. Okay, so after so many changes and so many experiments, we already finished our model, as you can see. Okay, proper, we just done with modeling, which is done with UV unwrapped. Then for colorization, I just took this model to ZBrush. Then I color this model, then export its texture, import to Maya, then rearrange, then again export for Keyshot for the final render. Then how I used to get final output, as you can see. So this is it guys. I hope you will also able to do it and you will like it. So enjoy.